The Atlas Credit Card, a charge card for building credit issued by Lead Bank and managed via the Atlas app, can be canceled anytime through the app or support channels. Cancellation closes your account and credit line, reported to Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, potentially impacting your score if it reduces available credit. Ensure no pending transactions or balances. Pay off any outstanding amount first to avoid fees. No prorated refunds on fees, and you'll lose access to rewards cash back. Open the Atlas app. Download, update the Atlas app, iOS or Android, if needed. Log in with your credentials and biometric verification. Navigate to Support. Tap the menu, 3 lines, in the top corner, then select Support or Help Center. Request cancellation. Scroll to Account Management or search Cancel Account. Tap Cancel My Account and follow prompts. Confirm details, reason for cancellation, and agree to terms. Submit. Most requests process instantly if no activity. Otherwise, expect 1 to 2 business days for review. Destroy physical card. Once confirmed, cut up or destroy any physical card to prevent use. Alternative. Email support. If app access is unavailable, email support@atlasfin.com with your full name, account number, and cancellation request. Expect a response within 1 to 2 days.